Hi guys, in this video, we will look at the best Gillette Mach 3 razor refills that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Gillette Mach 3 men's razor refills are designed for a classic close shave with comfort and precision. These three-bladed razor refills for men are equipped with an improved lubrication strip that adds a smooth glide to your shave. Along with durability, these three-bladed razor refills feature an upgraded lubrication strip, versus previous Mach 3, for enhanced glide to help protect your skin from redness during shaving. The lubristrip also fades when you are no longer getting an optimal shave. Designed for your comfort, the razor blade refills are equipped with soft micro fins that gently stretch and smooth skin, preparing hairs to be cut for the optimal shaving experience. Gillette Mach 3 razor blade refills feature 3 Dura comfort blades and an open blade architecture for easy rinsing to keep your razor blades clean and performing their best. Each razor blade refill is engineered to last up to 15 comfortable shaves, so you can get the most of every shave. Pairs perfectly with Gillette Series shaving gel for added protection from shaving irritation. Concerned your Gillette handle won't fit? All of our Mach 3 razor blades fit all Mach 3 razor handles.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.